Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka National People's Party henne kasngi kalapan ko Burom yaki Arngut ki MLA Bathymmai ki balajab na ki artli ki constituency kata uba penyat Seng na maurang keneng constituency badu Abdul Saleh na Rajabala constituency bad kumjuru yu uba lamprang bla ubadai ukartong ka Seng NPP na mau plang habakren hakane ka jingalang usembut menteri rangba ka jela uba presiden tensong ulapan pau bakane ka jingjab hagane ka kenti ka bamenta kalong ka bampoy perkhan namar ka jingyak hun bat kilyang persya kalong ka baklan ba ula ay kublay ru ikipat ba jong baro lai teli ki constituency kata ka Raja Bala ka maurang keneng bat ka mau plang constituency ki bala ay ka jingkersyan ya ka Seng nakalyang uba presiden ula ongru bakathong jong ka Seng kalong baha ka election arajar arpolai ka Seng kan wan biang ha ka jingjam ula ay mensim ru ya uba bla bawa la syam lajab hakane ke election chiteng samoy Henry ula yo bankur hadu san hajar tam ka vote ula ong ru bakum ka Seng ka badon ya kathong bantrei bat chakri na ka banta upat ba kan persyang banle bat pendap yaki jeng dawa jong upat ba haswa usnem arajar arpolai bat ban ai ru ya ka jeng chakri ka babahatam na ka banta jong kipat ba nakalyang u presiden ke NPP ubalong ru menteri rangba ka jela ukon rat ke sangma ulapan pau ka jing sngaw kumen ba ka jing sngaw ba ublay ula kerku haka ba Arngut ki MLA na ka Seng kilayo ya ka jingjam ula ay kublay ru ya baro ki MLA ki balajab haka ne ki election bat kumju ru ya uba lamprang bla ubaday ukertong jang ka Seng na mau plang constituency ulapan pau ru ba ka ne ka jingjab kalong ka jingkmen na ka banta ka Seng padu ay mensim ru ba ka Seng kan nangyay trey bat ay ka jing syakri ka babahatam na ka banta upat ba
So I don't want to delay too much. As you're aware, I left early morning for Jowai and I had two programs out there and I'm coming straight from there, and that's the reason why I got a bit delayed for this program. But I'm sure that we are all so happy and we feel blessed that God has blessed us with two more MLAs to strengthen our party and to take the work that we have started forward. So at the very outset, I would like to thank Almighty God for His blessings on our candidates and the blessings on our party and on this government. I would like to thank all the party leaders from all across the state who have, in one way or the other, today contributed to the victory of both the candidates who are here, as well as worked very hard for Ba Lamprang Bla, who has also, in a very short time, managed to garner those votes that he had received in the election. So I take this opportunity to thank all our party leaders, our party workers from across the state who have worked tirelessly to ensure that we were victorious in this election. I also would like to thank the supporters of different political parties who have supported Bathymmai Singh CM in his elections in his constituency from across party lines. Our coalition partners have also supported us and helped us. And I would once again take this opportunity to thank the family and supporters of both Bathymmai and Abdul Saleh, as well as Lamprang Bla, who have really gone through a lot of challenges and difficulties while this by-election, in terms of the kind of pressure they went through and the kind of difficulties that they had to face, and yet they were able to bear it all and ultimately come out successful in this election. Friends, I don't have much to say. We have been speaking a lot during the election also. and even after the election we had a press conference. But I would only like to say that what our Honorable Deputy CM had mentioned in his speech, that this is again a mandate for the government. Clearly, the people of this state, in spite of all the negativity that the opposition has tried to bring in, people have seen through it. People have realized that these are all fake and false information, and people have voted in favor of the government, clearly reflecting that people are happy with the work that is going on. But obviously it means much more has to be done. So like Barubin was mentioning in his prayer, and I totally agree with him, that we must be humbled by this victory. We must not be proud or feel that we have achieved the greatest, even though it was a very sweet victory for us, because both these constituencies were not the NPP's constituencies. They were from the opposition, and it's not easy for any party to be able to capture constituencies which are not yours. And as was mentioned by Mr. Abdul Saleh, not only Rajabala, even Morankning has never been a constituency where NPP has won. In fact, in both the constituencies, NPP has been in third or fourth position every time. So it was a huge challenge. It was a very sweet victory, but we should be humbled by the victory. We should work harder as a party, and we should work harder as a government to ensure that we continue being committed to the people of our state. We continue being committed to the issues that matter to our people. We work sincerely and dedicatedly, and I can assure both the MLAs who have been elected that as a government, we will support and we will do our best to ensure that we are able to do whatever we can in this very short time of 1 year and 4 months. It may be short, but if we work hard, it's more than close to about 500 days. So there's a lot of work we can do in 500 days. 1.5 years looks very short, but 500 days is a long time. So let us try and not lose out even one day, and start the work that we're supposed to do for the people of Morankning constituency and Rajabala and the state as a whole. And once again, would like to congratulate both the candidates who have won and now are MLAs, and also Mr. Lamprang Bla, who has really given a very good fight and in a very short time managed to garner the votes. And once again, thank all the family members, all the party leaders for their dedication and their support and their hard work during these elections. May God bless each and every one of us. May God bless our party, NPP, and may God bless our state of Meghalaya. Thank you very much, Kublai and Nathela.
Program is very short, but the meeting that we have this afternoon will help us to go back to the respective constituencies, respective blocks, and I'm sure we'll be able to get the maximum inspiration in the near future. Just few words. I think the winning that we made this time was totally unexpected, in spite of the fact that the allegation made by the opposition was so huge, and people sometimes they were being carried away. However, my special thanks goes to the people of number 1, Rajabala constituency, number 2, Morankning constituency, and number 3, Mauplang constituency. And these 3 constituencies, I'm telling you, next 23 election, general election, I'm sure we'll be able to come back victorious, as well as Mauplang constituency. Mr. Mantri Bla, I don't think he will lose hope. This is the first, in fact, the shortest inning, I should say. He joined the party on the 5th of October, and then he contested election. Then it's a matter of few days, maybe 24, 23 days, he got time, and he got 5,000 plus votes. So friends, when we go back from here, as I said to you, I think you must have seen the agenda. We went to the people, the voters in all the three constituencies. Our agenda is to serve the people of the state better. I think that is the agenda we have, and that's why we are here today. That's why we want 2 out of 3. So what I'm just telling all of you, reminding all of you is, we will keep it up, and whatever promises we made, we will try our best to accomplish it before 2023. So I request all of you, get maximum inspiration, be ready, let us go to the people, and we'll prove that we are here to serve the people of the state and to give discharge or duties for the people of the state the best services, whatever we could do. So with these few words, once again, I thank.
During the whole month of this October, regarding this by-election in our constituency, Mauritania, and I would like to thank our party leaders, MLAs, ministers, MDCs, and also party leaders who could manage to visit our constituency and help us in many meetings, and also to lend their support, especially in those times that we are in this by-election. I don't have anything to say much, but also thank our Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, and all the colleague minister in the MDA government, especially the NPP party, who were giving their time to come to our place and constituency, and also to seek the support of the public for our party. This term is left with only 1 year and 4 months. Personally, and with all our supporters, we will try to give our 100%. We'll try to give our best to serve the people of Mauritania constituency, and also to serve the state as a whole. And I request the assistant from the state government, especially the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister and all the ministers who are with our party, to please come and do visit again to our constituency and see that we could fulfill our aims and objectives that we already told the people of our constituency. We'll try our level best from our side again to gather and again to convene meetings with all the party members and all our supporters, so that in the coming general election 2023 we could retain the seat from the same party. And we are committed to work hard for the interests of the constituency and also the interests of the state. And once again, I would like to say thank you.
I am very proud to be a member of the MPP family. NPP government was so committed. Their hard work, NPP-led government has done. Therefore, they are blessed by the people of the state. As a result, we are here standing in front of you as a MLA. NPP 2 MLA, another MLA is from the government only. So, while campaigning throughout my constituency, Rajawala, I have seen huge support for NPP. That was the constituency never NPP has got. But this time, people have seen the development of Conrad Sangma's government's development has seen. They have seen the differences. What 3 years before the Congress-led government has done, and what after 3 years what Conrad Sangma-led government has done. Therefore, as a result, the effect has been seen. As a result, we are 2 MLAs in front of you. Thank you very much. Long live NPP. NPP will win 2023. Thank you very much.